Hey, what's really good, people? Welcome back. Axtuo is back at it. I mean, how you doing? How you been? Welcome back. I have this, I don't even know what I have right here. I know it's a Lexus though. Yeah, Lexus ES350, ES350 2007. All right. Let me show you what's going on. Pants are falling. All right, let's see. Okay. Step on the brake pedal. I'm gonna try to start it. Do you just see what just happened? All right. It doesn't want to start. Okay. That's what's going on. So I boosted it. I boosted the battery and it started right away. And not too long ago, I checked the battery and it says that it was good though. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change the battery. I'm gonna replace the battery and I'm gonna show you how to do it. All right, so stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, support my work, do that. All right, so we're gonna do that. All right, don't forget to subscribe, share, like. The feedback, put it in the comment box. Let me know what you think about this card, if you like it. I mean, it's good. This card is good though, but maybe you don't think like me. I don't know. It's up to you. So put it in the comment box. Let me know. Shout outs to Greenland, Russia, Ukraine. You know, all I want is love. Okay, and please, guys, keep it like that. Okay. If we don't have it, nobody's gonna have it. So I'm talking about the world. Yeah, so let's do that, okay? Let's get it, Stu. Try to replace the battery in this 2007 Lexus ES350. All right, let's get it. Come through here. This is how you open the hood. All right. Come over here. The latch is gonna be right here. Okay. You don't need to hold the hood because you have those pistons. All right. And here's the battery though. This car didn't have the lid that you open, but you can see it had one. Okay. I'm gonna show you how to get to the battery and all that. All right, we're gonna come through. We could just lift it, but if it's that hard, pause. Just gonna pop this guys, okay? If you don't have one of this, you gotta get one. All right? Gotta remove all these clips. Okay, just like that. There's gonna be two more here. Okay, this one is missing it. Now, just like that. So I'm gonna pop like that, over like that. All right. Okay. Right here, there's a 10 millimeter, but that was one clip. I'm gonna remove this. Okay, there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 clips. Okay. You don't have to though, because you can reach it right here. Just remove these 3 and one over here at the bottom. Okay. Now you can reach this bolt. Okay. That's what we're gonna do with the 10 millimeter. We're gonna do this guys first. That's one. This guy maybe you don't need to though. You just gotta swing it. Okay. Just gonna put it to the side like that. All right. 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter. I think I have the perfect socket, 3/4 or quarter ratchet with the quarter socket, 10 millimeter. I'm gonna lose this. All right. Let me see if I give you a better picture here. Hold on. There you go, better. All right. That. This one. That one. Now. Pop it like that. Pop it like that. Now we extract the battery. Just like that. Now we put the new one. Okay. Let's put it down. Remove this cover. Push it in a little bit more. Mount this guy to the side. Connect this guy. Don't be afraid of these parts. You're not gonna get shocked because it's a little. The voltage is not that great for you to get shocked. Alright. Let me see something real quick. So this project applies for those cars, those Lexus between 2007 and 2009, Lexus ES350. Okay. So if you have a 2008 Lexus ES350, it applies. Okay. So you can do this when you change, when you're trying to change your battery. Use this video as a guide. All right. Now we put this guy back like that. Put it down. I'm gonna push it a little bit. Okay. So it matched that. Put the bolt back. 10mm bolt. Gucci there. Now we tied it. Make sure this is tight. Put this back. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna put the clips back in. And now I'm gonna show you something. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Before I put the cover back, you have to mark the battery. Okay. Let me take you over here. Let's go this way. So over here, today is Halloween, so it's 2022 October. Okay, when I peel this off. Or you can write it down to its 31st, 2022, right? So 2022, right there, all right? But just write it down here. Some people don't do it though because they don't want to give warranty to the buyer. So it's 31st, it's 10, 31st, 22. Now I'm gonna put the cover back. I'm gonna close the hood. Come here. Now we're gonna start the car. The first time it's gonna choke, okay? So don't be afraid. It always happens. Okay, we're gonna start again. Step on the brake. Press the push button. Now there you go. It happens all the time. Like when you change the battery and you try to start it, it's gonna choke the first one, and people are gonna be like, "Oh," you know what I'm saying? So this car has 125,000 miles, as you can see, and that's pretty much it. All right, this is how you replace a battery in this 2007 Lexus ES350. Okay, I hope you like this video. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, alright? If you like this video, hit that super thanks, okay? There's a symbol of the heart, of a heart, right below this video. It says thanks. Click on that and show your support by contributing to the channel, you know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna leave it right here. Thank you for watching. Holla at your boy. Catch me in the next one. Axtuo, Burun. Man. Oh wait, shout outs to everybody, all right? And please say no to war. I know war brings a lot of things, not good things though, but I mean the world evolves and all that though, but we don't need war, all right? So please get along with each other. In this world, we only have one, okay? And let's move on, all right? I'm gonna leave it right here. Shout outs to everybody, all right? Greenland, Russia, Ukraine, Canada, the States, Mexico, Peru, Puerto Rico, everybody, all right? Cuba, Colombia, Brazil, all right? Catch me in the next one. Now I'm leaving.